Africa, 6 million years ago. A pivotal moment arrived with the appearance of Homo sapiens, or as we know them now, humans. The era of hunting and gathering began as man enjoyed a deep spiritual connection to the natural world. Early humans had a very close relationship with nature, building their culture around it. This tight connection sparked creativity, especially in early art where stories, beliefs and visions can still be seen today on the walls of caves across the globe. About 11,500 years back, humanity evolved through agricultural and industrial revolutions. Mankind built and innovated rapidly, and societies emerged. But as humans settled, the desire for security took over, breaking our special bond with nature. So began an era of wars and conflicting beliefs. Forward to the 20th century, and our itch for exploration hit its peak with the Apollo moon landing.
Ignition sequence start.
An historic moment, showcasing human genius and marking our first ever steps beyond Earth.
All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11. What a moment. Man on the way to the moon. With super high-tech science, we're all about cracking the cosmic code and uncovering potential extraterrestrial life on faraway planets. This discovery of life on habitable exoplanets will completely reshape how we look at ourselves and our place in the universe. In this new digital age, online connections rule the scene. Technology shapes our evolution, from the mastery of fire and invention of the wheel, through to supercomputers, drones, and control of energy. Advancements in artificial intelligence, science, health, and education have driven inclusivity and positive change. But we still have many issues to fix in this world. We must remember that technology is a tool,
and using it responsibly is key for the greater good. Like our sun, is not lifeless. It is a cosmic dance from birth to eventual end. From teeny microbes to colossal galaxies, a cosmic consciousness threads through everything, linking it in the epic flow of life's evolution. Voyagers, adventurers, and seekers of cosmic wisdom, humanity stands at an evolutionary crossroads. What will be our next adaptation? Will we reconnect with one another and live in harmony with our planet? Will we utilize innovation for the greater good? Let's imagine a future where we unite with love and gratitude, becoming guardians of nature and champions of science, technology, and sustainability. Our ongoing journey beckons us to explore, understand, and evolve. Now, let's zoom out and remember that you, me, and all of humanity reside on a tiny, precious dot amongst billions of stars. We are one.